how to get an instant loan with the CashNow app, even if your salary is just 1,000 dirhams. All you need is your Emirates ID and no salary certificate is needed. Simply start by downloading the CashNow app from the Google or the Play Store. Alright, now that you have downloaded this app, let's get your loan approved. I'm going to guide you step by step. Open the app, tap on the activate button. Go ahead and enter your mobile number. You'll receive an OTP on this exact number. Enter the OTP and tap on the next button. You will now see your total maximum eligible amount. How much have you qualified for? Let me know in the comments. But for most users, the maximum eligible amount will be 1,500. In case you need a higher loan amount, stay tuned because I'll reveal the exact strategy I used to get up to 5,000 from the CashNow app. But for now, as you can see on the screen, most of you will be able to qualify for 1,500. And this loan will be repayable in installments of 3 months. Also keep in mind, there is a processing fee of 127 dirhams. You will also be charged an interest of 9%. What do you think about this interest rate? I personally believe this is quite high. That's why I recommend you only use this loan service if you seriously need this money. With that being said, that will bring your total repayable amount to 1,635. That is the principal amount of 1,500 plus an interest of 9%. This interest keeps on changing from time to time, so keep that in mind. Once you have read all the terms and conditions, understood them, and you agree with them, proceed by clicking on the Take Money button. If this is your first time taking a loan with the CashNow app, you'll be automatically directed to the identity verification page. All you have to do here is simply submit your Emirates ID, both the front and the back side, and then tap on the next button. You will then be required to verify your face, using the face scan. The CashNow app will now assess your credit score. You'll have to enter your mobile number, either Etisalat or Du, and then a verification code will be sent to you. Once that is done, you'll have to go ahead and provide more basic information about yourself, starting with your employment status, your occupation, your monthly salary, and the date that you received your salary. You'll also be required to enter your email and the emirate where you stay. Also provide your detailed address and then tap on next. Here, you'll have to provide 2 reference contacts. Enter their names, the relationship you have with these people, plus their contact details. Tap on next and then select the receiving account, the account in which you want to receive this money. You can either choose a bank account or even choose a bottom wallet. For those of you who don't know how to use a bottom wallet, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I will drop this video next week, and again, make sure not to miss out by turning on the notification bell. For the purpose of this video, let me select Receive Money by Bank Account and tap on Continue with Bank. If this is your first time requesting a loan with the CashNow app, you'll be prompted to enter your bank details. Remember to cross-check this information and make sure that it is correct, because if the bank account name is wrong or the IBAN number is wrong, you might end up not receiving this loan. So, review your loan application details, confirm your bank account details, and then select the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions of this loan service. Finally, click the confirm button to receive the loan in your account in just minutes. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always make your due diligence before taking a financial decision as big as taking a loan. And if you are worried about hidden fees, CashNow always shows the interest rates up front, so no surprises. And once you repay this loan, your loan eligibility amount will be gradually increased until you reach to your max credit limit. Discover how to secure a zero interest salary loan fast, hassle-free and without late payment harassment. Click on the video that is up next to learn more.